In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a location in Google Maps. Now it's very easy to go ahead and do, just pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to go ahead and do, of course, is open up your Google Maps app like I have done here. So what we need to do from here is find the location that we want to add. So we can do this in a few ways, but I'm just going to go ahead and zoom into a specific area. And I'm going to go ahead and tap and hold. Now when you tap and hold, this is going to do something called dropping a pin. As you can see, there's a red pin on that location. And from here, what I can go ahead and do is I can go ahead and press the save button. So once I press the save button, it's going to open up a new window here. And it's going to allow me to save this to a specific list. Now this is going to allow you to add it to a specific place on your Google Maps, but this means that other people will not be able to see this location. So this is good for something like your home or your work or just an address that you visit frequently that you want to be able to quickly click on rather than having to type in manually each time. But let's say you want to go ahead and add a location to the Google Maps so that everyone else can go ahead and see it. Well, to do this, we have to go back. And what we need to do from here is in the top right hand side, you're going to see a little icon. Now for me, it says H. This is going to be the profile of your Google account. So go ahead and tap on that icon there. And you should be able to see at the bottom here, there's a section that says add a missing place. We can go ahead and click that and we can add in the details for the location. Now it's going to ask us for a few different details about this missing location. First of all, we have the name, so this is the name of the place. And then we have category. So there's a lot of different categories here: food and drink, shopping, services, hotels, outdoors, religion, office, residential, education. So tap the category that best is what the thing is, and you can also in the top here search for categories. So if it's not on those popular ones and it's a bit more niche, you can search it and there's a possibility they have it. So go ahead and just match it up as closely as you can. Now next we can go ahead and add in our address. That's the address of the location. We can either type it in or we can pinpoint it with this little precision tool. This allows us to get really precise as to where the location is. And you can also put located within and set a radius of how close this is located within that place. Now on the add more details section, you've got a lot of details you can add. So you can add the hours that they're open, so the working hours essentially. You've also got things like the phone number for the place. You have the website, so that's the website URL. And you also have stuff like the opening date and other things like that. You can also down here add some photos of the location. So if you've got any photos of the inside, the outside, maybe events that have been ran, you can go ahead and add them there just so people get an idea of what the place is visually. And finally, what we can do from here is go ahead and submit this. Now by submitting it, it's going to get you to go ahead and sign into your Google account. And you'll have to add all the data in there, and that will send a request to add the missing location to Google, and they'll go ahead and verify it if they believe that this is a correct submission. So that's basically how you go ahead and do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about Google Maps or anything else in particular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.